I'm Dominique, and welcome to Exist for Travel. My very first journey outside the United States was to the country that has always felt like a second home, Belize. It's my parents' homeland and the place where my mother eventually retired and where my father also found peace during his retirement years. It's also the birthplace of my daughter, whom I adopted from Belize, making Belize not only my family's beginning, but also part of my heart's story. I can still remember my summers here as a child. Hot days filled with adventure, laughter, and the kind of freedom that felt so different from my life growing up in Los Angeles, the place also that I love so much. For me, Belize has always represented something more than travel. It's been the connection in my life, my heritage, and discovery. Having parents who were immigrants gave me a unique lens through which I see the world even now. It taught me early on that there are countless ways to live, to celebrate, and to belong. That perspective only deepened as I grew older, and travel became not just something I did, but something I existed for. Hence the name Exist for Travel. It is truly my passion, it is my joy, it makes me always feel good. Now, my approach to travel is slower and it is more intentional. I no longer rush to see everything. I walk, I observe, I listen. I try to capture the real feeling of a place. Its rhythm, its culture, its people, and learn from its history. Each journey reminds me to be grateful, to simply take the next step and breathe it all in. Living with multiple sclerosis has changed how I move through the world. It's definitely slowed me in some ways, yes, but it has also shown me a new kind of strength and presence. It's taught me that a pivot in life doesn't mean stopping. It means traveling differently, with more intention, with calmness, and sometimes even finding serenity amidst the movement, the activity, the hustle, and the bustle. So as I walk through Belize and you join me on this walk, this isn't just a video about travel, it's not just a channel about travel, but it's the start of a journey to rediscover the world, slowly, gratefully, and with open eyes. Because for me, travel isn't just about where I go, it's about how I exist in every moment I'm there. Welcome to Exist for Travel, where every step is a reminder of how beautiful it is simply to be here. Enjoy the video. Enjoy my other home, Belize. Welcome. And don't forget, please subscribe to the channel because there is so much more to come.